Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to download Wallpaper Engine on your PC. Firstly, open Steam and search for Wallpaper Engine. Click on Add to Cart and purchase it because it's not free. Now, click Install like any other Steam game. Once you've installed the Wallpaper Engine, go to Discover or Workshop tab. Then, click on a wallpaper you like. Click on Subscribe. This will download the wallpaper to your library. Once downloaded, select the wallpaper, then click Apply. Wallpaper Engine allows deep customization for wallpapers. You can change color scheme, brightness, contrast, playback date, volume, alignment and position, or interactive features. To edit a wallpaper, just select Wallpaper in the Wallpaper Engine, use the Properties panel on the right side, then adjust settings as needed. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.